I'm going to be making a GPT special cocktail here. So it's going to be a rum, olive brine, sweet vermouth, lemon, and simple syrup. This was a flavor compound combination that it suggested that would be weird but delicious. So I'm going to read it right off of ChatGPT and see how it is. So the first ingredient is 15 milliliters of lemon juice. So I'm going to measure out 15 milliliters of lemon juice. It's a little bit hard to measure milliliters, but try to get like kind of close. So it's like one lemon. Yep, it's about one lemon. Okay, then it calls for 2 ounces of white rum. I'm just going to use this blended rum because it's the best rum that I have. There is 2 ounces of. Next, it calls for 7 ounces of simple syrup. So I'm just going to put just a little simple syrup in there. That was probably too much. We're going to do 22 milliliters of sweet vermouth. Perfect. Then I am going to do 15 milliliters of brine. This is caper brine, but I think you could probably use any kind of brine. A bit more. Okay. Okay, now shake it up for like 15 seconds. Then we are going to serve in a highball over ice. So it's actually really interesting. The olive brine like adds a super unique element with the lemon. Like it's hard to put my finger on. It's like a little bit funky, a little bit salty. It tastes a little. You get like martini vibes from it, but like it's like a blend between a punch and a martini. It's actually really good.